So I'm pouring in my lye water into my oils. Gonna rinse out my lye water. Now, like I said, this one is going to be eucalyptus lemon. So let me bring it to trace. Okay, now the last one was hot process soap, and this is cold process. Now I brought it to a trace. See how it leaves lines on the top of the soap? Okay. All right, so it is now to trace. Cold process soap is quicker than hot process soap as far as making it, but it takes longer to use it because it has to sit for 4 weeks to cure. Okay, so there's my fragrance. Everybody give me a thumbs up for remembering my fragrance, please. You guys knew me too well. Okay, so I put my other fragrance on top of my color so I won't forget it. So this is lemon eucalyptus essential oil. All right. Where did I get the container? Okay, so I put it on, oops, well there's my Etsy store. I didn't mean to do that. Here's where I got the container. You can get them at Sam's and Costco also. Okay. Oh, interesting. So this is accelerating this fragrance is accelerating my soap. So I need to get moving here. So I'm going to have white, green, and yellow. So there's white, let me see, green, and yellow. So let me think. White, green, and yellow. Okay. So you find a green here that I want. Eucalyptus green. What would be a eucalyptus green? Probably this one. Okay. Ugh. So here's a little bit of green for eucalyptus. And then a yellow. Okay. Then my white. Okay. All right, so I'm stirring my white. Oh, wow. This is really setting it up. Oh, my gracious. Oh, my gracious. Okay. This is very interesting. A little bit darker green. Ooh, not that dark. Ooh, that would be really green. Okay, so now, I am sorry guys if you have questions that I'm missing. I have to move on this because it is accelerating my trace. And if I don't, then I'm going to have a problem. Okay, now, so I have a new mold that I'm trying out. The gentleman sent it to me for free, and if I like it, I'm going to be promoting it heavily because I am looking for new molds. So I'm putting in these green embeds and also, okay, why not? There we go. Okay, now got the green embeds. All right, so So I got the embeds stirred in. They're just soap that has been scraped. So first, oh boy, I hope this new mold works. Okay, leave a little bit of green for top. So spread this down. I want a green bottom. Now scrape. Yes, flavored yogurt will work on the other one. I just saw that comment. I use as long as it's flavored, but it doesn't have little pieces, it works the best. Okay, so now let's get this green on the bottom. Okay, tapping it down. Okay, so now I think I want white. Okay, so I want all of the white in the middle. Okay, get my scraper. Here, sorry guys. Is that better? Okay. Now let me flatten this. Okay. Get another clean knife. I scrape it down so my sides will be nice and neat. Doesn't always work, so then I have to plane my sides with a little planer or knife, but that's all right. Okay, then I want yellow on top. Okay. All right. And I'm going to spread this out. And I don't mind if my yellow mixes with my white a little bit. That's kind of what I want. Okay. Actually, I think this mold might work. Okay, scrape it down again. I'm sorry I can't check comments right now, guys. If you guys will give me a bit, I will answer questions when I'm done, but right now I gotta move. Okay. Now, all right, so now I want, let me think. Okay, so I want green on the side. Ooh, wow, come on. Don't fail me now, don't fail me now. Okay, let's try this instead. All right, here we go. My new spatulas that Miss Anonymous sent me, which I'm loving, so I don't know who you were, but once again, thank you. I am really loving these. Okay. Oh dear, come on, stretch. Stretch. Be the never-ending pot of soap and let me get to the end. Ugh. Okay, I didn't quite make it to the end, so let's move some down there. Okay, and we're scraping the edge just because I need to. Okay. Then I want my white in the middle. Okay. And I'll show you why I'm doing this specifically here in this order. Okay. Then there. Okay. Wow, it smells really, really good. I like this fragrance. I knew it would smell good, I just didn't know it would smell that good. Okay, now for the next one. Grab a stool and come moderate, daughter. You wonderful daughter, you. BJ and Ellie went out for Chinese food. Ellie was giving him a thank you because he broke into her car when she left her keys in there. What a wonderful brother. Okay. Now, I didn't get enough over here either, so let's move some right there. Okay, so I'm going to pound this down, shake it. And now I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to run it through.
Which brand of fragrance?
What brand of fragrances? This one is just a essential oil that I got off of Amazon.
Oh, it's up there. Whoops. How is BJ's blood sugar going?
Not well. He goes to the doctor this afternoon. So hopefully we can start finding some answers after 5 years. It would be a little... Okay, so this isn't quite working out like I was hoping. So let's just do it again here.
Hello, Denise. She said no, she won't check.
There you go. So you start a revolution. Okay. So, liking that. Did not mean to do that. Where's my glitter?
Thanks, Jamie.
So I'm sprinkling some of my glitter on. Okay. And then taking my little lemon embeds and I'm popping them on top here. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm liking it. So then I'm going to spray this with rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash from forming on top.
Jamie said, don't forget you have another patch of soap back there.
I remembered. Thank you, Jamie. And then I'm going to put this under a box with a towel. And
hi, Sandy.
Let it sit overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to cut it on our live show. All right. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Woohoo! Okay, guys, what do you think? I'm thinking I'll love it.
And on the front page at Living on a Dime in the menu, there's a thing that says resources. Let me see if it's on there in the soap items.
Okay, just set it on here for just a second.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the eucalyptus lemon that I made.
Dawn wants to know, will any of this soap be on Etsy? Oh man, that smells really good.
Yeah?
Wow, let me smell that again.
Uh-oh. Just Dad. It is going to be on Etsy, but I'm not putting it on until January. Sure. I'm trying to work ahead so that I can...
Ooh, is that a dud for me?
You like that one?
Yeah.
Hey, can
there you go. Merry Christmas.
I get to use all the ones that aren't sellable.
Oh, I'll take this one.
I'm trying to work ahead to get some soaps in stock again until the 11th. For whatever I have left in... Oh, wow. This one turned out really nice.
So, Debbie, we made 2 different kinds of chocolate fudge. Although Tara talked about how you can easily use different... One of them is... The quick one has chocolate chips, and you can use different kinds of chips. And you also talked about stuff you could do with the long-term fudge, didn't you? longer recipe.
Yeah.
Let me share.
So we're letting the fudge cool right now. It has to cool down to about 100 degrees, 110 degrees.
I'm going to share those recipes again in the comments, but they are at the top of the front page of our website, livingonadime.com, in case you missed it in the comments. So, all right.
So this is the eucalyptus lemon. I don't know how I would say that, but
Jigsy says an Australian soap. Woohoo!
an Australian soap.
Is this
What
Oh,
would an
eucalyptus.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's an
What?
Australian soap. My
Is that
Aussie
right?
soap. I should send some to Amy T.
Paige says you should do a topic each week for Tara Talk on Tuesday.
So, Jack.
See, I thought that was a brilliant name, but you didn't seem to.
That is brilliant. I think so.
Yes.
I like Tara's Tightwad Tips.
I've already copyrighted that name, so it's $500.
Okay. So you've copyrighted it, so it's $500.
Which one? Tara Talks?
Tara Talks. So, so tell them how when a mom who's sick and has really bad plantar fasciitis and can't move, make sure the kids get their room cleaned.
You just
I
yell.
came up with a brilliant idea.
You just yell. You're like, Dad!
I do not yell.
Get the vacuum and clean your room!
Now is that what I sound like?
No, but that's how the teenagers think you sound.
I do not sound like that.
Yes, you do.
I dropped something on this one. Oops. I dropped a red piece from the pink. So, the other day, I was super, super sick, and my plantar fasciitis has been really bad. I'm going to the podiatrist tomorrow, so pray that they will figure something out. And, but Jack's room, I knew had been a disaster because I was down earlier in the day. And I was like, okay, how am I going to do this? Because I can't go down and make sure he got his room picked up. So, my great thinking mind
Oh no.
came up
It
with,
smells really good.
well, there it is. Sniff away. I didn't think I'd like this scent, but it really smells good. I took and told him, when he came up and said, I'm done, I said, okay. I said, are you really done? He said, oh yeah, I'm really done. I said, okay, take my cell phone down and take a picture. And I'll see if it's really done. I thought that was brilliant parenting from the couch.
Yes.
Don't you think?
Although, did he strategically position the shot from the angle that doesn't show what he missed?
No, he actually did it. Believe it or not. Oops.
Terry says, I love watching you make soap. Watching you make soap is fun. Back to withdrawals again. It's relaxing.
I'm sorry. It took me 2 hours to set up yesterday, and it is just too hard not having a separate studio. So I'm gonna take a break until after Christmas.
This is why everyone should go to
So we're getting a lot of questions about whether you're going to still be coming on live and stuff, which she'll be on
Yes.
definitely for the regular show, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
I'm just not gonna do. I'm gonna do January.
But you might be on, if she gets inspiration, she might be on doing other things at other times.
Well, I don't know. We'll see. But
Sorry, I didn't mean to commit you to that.
thanks. But it's too hard not having a studio to do this. I have to go, all my soap supplies are downstairs.
Yeah.
I have stuff in the boy David's bedroom. I've got stuff in the laundry room. I've got stuff all over the place. And we just have to find another house where we can have a studio to do this, because I just can't keep running all over creation like a crazy
This
person.
is another reason why we should
Good night,
move
Brenda.
to an isolated place.
Um,
We move to a completely isolated
Diana says we should
place.
move to Houston.
no. Sorry. I'm glad you love it there, but
We have a
no.
lot of
Let's go
friends,
to
and I
Seattle.
even have some family near Houston, but Tara couldn't handle the heat and the humidity.
No.
Well, and I probably wouldn't. I could handle it, but probably wouldn't handle it well.
Can we
Not
go to
anymore.
Seattle?
No.
Why not?
We could go to Washington, but not Seattle.
Washington.
All right, what do you guys think of lemon eucalyptus? I'm loving it.
Wow, you're getting.